Hi everyone, today I am making a Mikasa-inspired crochet scarf order. Show you the basic stitches and then pack the final order. I'm using thick yarn with a 6 mm crochet hook. For this video, I'm making a small demo but the original scarf is made bigger. First, make a slip knot on your hook. Yarn over and pull through, that's one chain. I'm making 10 chain stitches just to show you the pattern. Now for the next row, we will do half double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, pull up a loop. You will have the 3 loop on your hook. Yarn over again and pull through all 3 loops. Repeat the same process again. Now for the last row, we will do again half double crochet. Make chain 1 and turn your work. Make half double crochet in the back loop. For this scarf, I am working in the back loop only. This creates a clean ripped texture. The original Mikasa scarf is 70 inches long with a 6 inches width. This demo is smaller for the video. You can adjust the size according to your preference. And here's the finished Mikasa scarf, soft, cozy and perfect for winter. Now I will pack this order, pack it securely for shipping. The Mikasa scarf order is ready to ship. Thank you for watching. Follow for more crochet content. Bye bye.